Hi, my dear students. Welcome to Raghav Math e-learning. In today's class, I am going to discuss a very important concept. Most of the students they confuse with these questions how to solve this type of questions. What are those questions? That is finding maximum of 2 by 2 determinants or minimum of 2 by 2 determinants formed by the given elements or finding maximum value of 3 by 3 determinants formed by given elements or minimum value of 3 by 3 determinants formed by given elements. Okay, see, find maximum and minimum values of 2 by 2 determinants formed by 1 comma 2. Okay, right. Listen carefully. How many determinants you can form using the elements 1 and 2? Is it? Okay, so 2 cross 2, how many places will be there? 4 places we have. Is it right? So you can fill first place in 2 ways, second place in 2 ways. I mean, in second place you can use either 1 or 2. Third also can be filled in 2. Fourth also can be filled in 2. So totally how many determinants? Totally how many determinants you can form? That is 2 power 4. Is it? So how many determinants you can form? 16 determinants you can form. Out of those 16 determinants, what is the greatest value or what is the least value? Now we are going to find that. Okay, right. Listen carefully. Suppose I am taking a 2 by 2 determinant is like this. Det ABCD. What is its value? AD minus BC. In place of ABCD, you can take the elements 1 or 2. Is it? So A may be 1 or 2, B may be 1 or 2, C also either 1 or 2, D also same. Is it? Okay, what we want? We want maximum. Okay, when this gives maximum, so AD must be maximum. Is it? Okay, for what numbers AD is maximum? Suppose you take A 2, D also you can take 2. Is it right? So D2. So the maximum AD value, what is it? 2 into 2, that is 4. Is it? So 4 minus something. If this something is least, we can get maximum determinant. Is it? So BC must be least. Is it? So BC must be minimum means what values we can take in place of B and C? Anyhow, in place of B you can take either 1 or 2. In place of C also you can take either 1 or 2. Is it? But here we want BC least value. So in place of B we take 1. In place of C also we take 1. Is it? Then 1 into 1 we can get 1. So BC is 1. Okay, tell me that what is the maximum value of the determinants formed by the elements 1 comma 2. So that is AD, that is 4, BC, that is 1. So 4 minus 1, what is the answer? Answer is 3. Is it? Suppose the question is maximum and minimum values of 2 by 2 determinants formed by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, formed by these 4 elements. Okay, we try to solve it. A, B, C, D. What is determinant? AD minus BC. What I want? I want the maximum value of AD minus BC. Tell me. So maximum value I want. So this must be greatest. So when it is greatest, in place of A you take 4. In place of D also you take 4. Is it? Yes. Then you can get the maximum in this place. What is that? 4 into 4, it is 16 minus BC. So from 16 you have to subtract something. If that something is least value, then you can get maximum determinant, is it? So this BC must be a lesser value, is it right? So what? In place of B you take 1, in place of C also you take 1 only, then 1 into 1 1. So the least value for this, that is 1. So 16 minus 1, what is it? 15. Yes, maximum value of the 2 by 2 determinants formed by the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 is what? 15. Okay. How to get minimum? Is it? Suppose 15 is maximum. Is it possible to get minus 15 as a determinant value? Yes. Why? Because if you interchange two rows, determinant sign changes, is it? So if you interchange these two rows, then you can get a determinant value minus 15. So no doubt at all, if 15 is the greatest number in the obtained determinants, then definitely minus 15 will be the least determinant, is it? So the minimum value of the 2 by 2 determinants formed by these 4 elements is minus 15. Okay, coming to this problem, yes, what is the maximum determinant we got? 3. Can you tell that? What is the minimum determinant we can get? Yes, if you interchange those two rows in that determinant, automatically you can get minus 3, is it? So the minimum of all the determinants is minus 3. The maximum value of all the determinants formed by 1 comma 2 is 3. Is it clear? Coming to next, maximum and minimum of all the 3 by 3 determinants formed by the elements 0, 1, 2. Okay, this time we are going to find 3 by 3 determinants, is it? In that we want maximum, so det A maximum we want. Listen carefully. For this we have one shortcut to get that maximum determinant. Okay, that shortcut is coming to this 3 by 3 matrix. In place of diagonal elements, you take the least number. Okay, what is the least number in the given numbers? That is 0, is it? So here you take 0. So this diagonal 0, this diagonal also 0. Okay. Now non-diagonal elements. In place of non-diagonal element, you take the greatest one. What is the greatest one in this? That is 2. So in place of non-diagonal elements, you take the greatest, that is 2. So here you take 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and this is 2. That's all. Just you evaluate it. You can get maximum of the determinant. What is that? That is 0 into something anyhow, that is 0, and minus 2 into, we can get minus 4, plus 2 into, it is 4 minus 0, that is 4. So we got 8 plus 8. What is this? 16. Yes, maximum of 3 by 3 determinants formed by 0, 1, 2, that is 16. Now easily you can guess what is the minimum. Already I told you, if 16 is maximum, no doubt at all we can get one determinant as minus 16. Why? Because if you interchange two rows, automatically determinant sign changes, then you can get minus 16, is it? So det A minimum must be what? Minus 16. So here what you have to remember to get maximum determinant, that is in place of diagonal elements, you take the small element. What is the small element in this? That is 0. So 0, 0, 0. In place of non-diagonal elements, you should take the greatest one. What is the greatest one in this? 2. So you take 2. That's all. Okay. If they give some negative numbers, then it may not work. Okay. So if the numbers are like 0, 1, 2 or 1, 3, 5 or 2, 4, 6 like that, you can apply this logic. Is it clear? Coming to this, maximum and minimum of 3 by 3 determinants formed by the elements 1, 2, 3. Is it? Okay. Already I told you that how to get maximum determinant of that 3 by 3 matrix, that is det. Okay. To get the maximum determinant in place of diagonal elements, you take the least value in the given entries, that is 1. So in place of diagonal elements you take that. What about non-diagonal elements? What is the greatest one? You choose that. What is it? 3. So in place of non-diagonal elements you take 3. That's all. Evaluate it. You can get maximum value of the determinant, that is 1 into 1 minus 9 minus 8 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 minus 6 plus 3 into 9 minus 3, that is 6. So what is this? This is minus 8 plus 18 plus 18. Is it? So what is this? It is 10 plus 18, 28. Is it? Maximum of the determinants formed by 1, 2, 3 must be what? 28. You can form so many determinants using these elements. Among all those determinants, what is the greatest value? That is 28. Then obviously, what is the minimum value? Just you change sign for the greatest, you can get the least. Is it? So that should be minus 28. If 28 is possible, no doubt at all, minus 28 also one determinant. Why? Because if you interchange two rows, then determinant sign changes. So you can get the least determinant, that is minus 28. Hope you understood this concept. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get latest notifications.